Hello guys, my name is Mohsin and you are watching Know How channel. Sorry to interrupt with one WhatsApp message. I've just got it and I have to check it. Maybe some important message. Oh, what the hell? If you feel also irritating about the deleted message from WhatsApp, uh, I just feel irritating. Today is the video about deleted message WhatsApp. Someone sent you a message and just deleted it before you have just read it. You can recover it and you can see what the person has sent to you. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So welcome back guys. Today we'll learn how you can recover the WhatsApp message someone messaged you and deleted you before you have just read the message. So first of all, you have to download one app. You have to go to the Play Store and just write WA deleted for everyone. I have just searched this app and this one is the app total top of the frame, and just you can download this app. I have just downloaded this app. I will open this app. You can see this one is the message the person sent to me and he deleted. You can see this is recovered. Let's try one more time and see it works or not. Again sending the message from another mobile. You can see one message appears on WhatsApp. We'll open this one. Again I just see that this message was deleted and you can see the time 2:44 p.m. to 2:44 p.m. and I will just go in the app again. This one is the W deleted for, and you can see the message the person sent me the message which he deleted before I read. Thank you. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest videos.